the wait is finally over. The next level monster, the Samsung Galaxy M47 5G, has arrived. Mark your calendars for the sale starting July 4th, with prices beginning at 22,999 rupees. This device packs a powerful punch with its Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, a vibrant 120Hz AMOLED screen, and a 50 megapixels OIS camera for crystal clear shots. Experience performance unleashed. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, combined with fast LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, ensures your gaming and app switching are faster than ever. Game more and worry less. With a 6,000 mAh battery, 45W fast charging, and dedicated bypass charging to keep the phone cool while you play, you can stay in the game longer. Built for durability, the Galaxy M47 5G features Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for superior scratch resistance, IP64 water and dust resistance, and 2.0-meter fall endurance. It is truly the ultimate shield. Enjoy a smooth and vibrant visual experience on the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 1400 nits of peak brightness, everything looks sharp, even under direct sunlight. Capture every detail with the 50 megapixels primary camera, supported by OIS for stable shots, even at night. Plus, the 12 megapixels front camera delivers great selfies, and you can record in stunning 4K clarity. Work smarter with Galaxy AI. Effortlessly edit photos with Object Eraser, transcribe voice calls to text, and use Circle to search to find information in an instant. Get peace of mind with long-term support. The Samsung Galaxy M47 5G comes with One UI 8.5 on Android 16, backed by 6 generations of OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Your privacy is locked in. Featuring Samsung Knox for data protection, a reliable side fingerprint scanner, and the convenience of Samsung Wallet, your security is always a priority. Discover the smartest deal of the year. With launch coupons available, you can get the Galaxy M47 5G starting at an effective price of 22,999 rupees, with up to 6 months of no-cost EMI. We support you everywhere. Designed and made in India, the Samsung Galaxy M47 5G is backed by over 3,300 service touchpoints and 24/7 expert support to ensure you stay connected.